The Bendix Ultimate 4-wheel drive big brake kit for the rear axle converts the factory drum to a single floating one-pot caliper and disc. The upgrade should only be performed by a qualified automotive technician. The kit includes a pair of one-pot calipers, a pair of Bendix Ultimate 4-wheel drive disc rotors, a set of Ultimate 4-wheel drive brake pads, new backing plates with built-in handbrake shoes, new axle bearings, bolts, washers, seals, and a set of Bendix Braided Brake Hoses. The installation of the Bendix Ultimate 4-wheel drive big brake kit for the drum-to-disc conversion is a reasonably large job for a qualified mechanic, and it will need a workshop with suitable tooling such as a large press and specialist tools to remove the axle lock rings on some makes such as the Ford Ranger. Use a Bendix recommended workshop that is able to organise an engineer's tech inspection post the installation in New South Wales, Victoria, Tasmania and South Australia, or if you live in Queensland or Western Australia, they need to be able to fit the LG1 mod plate. Contact Bendix to find a list of our recommended installers for the Bendix Ultimate 4-wheel drive big brake kit.
Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.